Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the guys out. My mind is you the dark. I put my life into my job and you know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. Let me fix this. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. So yes, we are in a new setting. I'll get to that in a later video, but for those of you who don't know me, my name is Edney. So I did my holiday shoot today, so that's why I'm all glammed up, and that's why I wanted to shoot this video. So get my ponytail, y'all. It's giving. My makeup I did myself. It's a little dark, but it's all right. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, let's get to unboxing this video. Look at how they beat up my box. Look at this. Like, what is this? That's disrespectful. But anyways, this is huge. So this is the box cutter. Here is another pair of Uggs. These are the black ones, if you guys could see that. Let me see. Here's a dust bag. Some cards. These are fire. Guys, oh my gosh, I have to find some better lighting, but these are so bomb. Look at this. Let me show y'all. Look at this. I don't know where's, oh, the light right there, but it's not that bright, but alright guys, can you see it? Yeah. So look guys, these are so pretty. Look at how gorgeous they are. Look at that. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like, you guys, I am loving these. Look, it says Telfar in the back. Yeah, these are really nice. Alright guys, so I got some better lighting. Okay, so these are so nice. So let me take a picture with this first. So. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the inside of it. So I was trying to show y'all earlier, but the lighting was bad. Alright, so let's take them out and try them on, because y'all, these are beautiful. So yeah, like I was telling y'all, we just took our pictures. Oh, these are so cute. Ooh. Oh my god, I love these. Love these. It's giving, like, oh my god. Alright, let me hurry up so I can do my little video for y'all. So y'all could get a little closer. Right, so it's bomb. Like, it's too dark over here. Okay. These are so cute. I love these. Oh my gosh. They are so comfortable. Like, I love how shiny they are. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I really like Santa Claus. These are giving. I kind of love them. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let me do my little review for y'all. Alright guys, so I really think these are bomb. Like, the color is everything. Like, the black, I'm so happy I was able to get them. Like, they're so, these are a statement piece. These look really nice with my, hold on, let me look at my Telfar clutch for y'all, or crossbody. Alright guys, so these boots pair perfectly with my Telfar clutch. It could also be turned into a crossbody or one of the patent bags. So this is the large. So these pair perfect with them. pairs perfectly with them. So how y'all rocking it? These are bomb. See? Yeah. And then this one. So this is how it looks with this one. I have this one in small, medium, and large, but this is how it looks. Yes. It's giving. All right. And then we have this one. Should for my shades. So this is it here. So yeah, just like a sauna. I really think I'm a sauna. Good in your fashion over. Hey, and over. To remember. But yes, guys, so let me know which one is your favorite. I love how both of them look with the boots. So I hope you guys like this vlog and this unboxing. Please give my video a fat thumbs up. See you in the next vlog. Bye.